Good morning everyone. So today we are on the Costa Clita in an urbanisation called Camposol near the port of Matron. Only 30 minutes from the airport here and we're about 20 minutes from several beaches. Now we have been getting some beautiful properties and this is no exception. So let me take you inside. It's a Rosa, it's extended. So let's have a look around together. So as you can see, you have off-road parking and a pedestrian gate. You can see there's an extension at the front with tinted windows. Lovely balustrade, very decorative. And you're not very far from the golf course. Beautiful garden here. So you can lounge and you have a fruit tree, orange tree over there. Very, very nice. All the trees are all established, beautiful plants. So let me take you inside this beautiful property. Now at the front here you have insect screen and your front door. Now just as I walk in, this is the extension. You have a lovely area here where you can sit and enjoy a meal. Just down there you have an electric fire. Just pan around for you, just to give you a feel for the room. So this has been remodernised, so where they used to have a window, they got shelves there. It's really nice. So just outside this door here, you have got an area where you can sit and lounge. So you have awnings just above there where you can pull over to keep the sun at bay. There's a lovely little sun trap here for you to enjoy some outside dining. So let me take you back inside. And again, this door is insect screen. And we've just come in here into the living space. Now in the living space you have aircon, you ceiling light and fan, and you have a log burner fire there. It's really big and spacious, as you can see, and very open. It has a fabulous kitchen in this property. Just coming up to the room up here to take you around. Look at that, so you got a dining kitchen there. So unlike most Rosas where the kitchen just ends here, they've extended this kitchen. So have your dining room table here, plenty of units, all high gloss. You've integrated microwave oven and an oven there. You've your integrated hob, your sink and faucet, dishwasher, and of course your fridge freezer. You've got plenty of top and base units and your hood extractor. But you can see how this is a lovely modern kitchen and has been extended for lovely family area, quite large as well. So let me take you through over here. Now we're just going in here to a guest bedroom. So in the guest bedroom you have your ceiling light and fan. You've also got aircon there above. On the windows you have insect screens, wreckers and blackout blinds. Pan around for you just so you get a good feel of the room and get good detail of the properties that I like to show you. So you have got your overhead storage and your double wardrobe there. You've got plenty of sockets and switches in this room as well. So I'm going to take you into the bathroom opposite the guest room. So in here you've got a frosted glass window. You've got shower screen and a bath and your rain head shower. If I just shut the door behind me, you can see you've got a sink and vanity unit and you have a modern WC. Tiles on the floor have all been redone and you have some storage just there. Just above you have a heater. Okay, so I'm going to take you inside and we will have a look at the ensuite. Now just in here at the ensuite you have got freestanding wardrobes. So you've also got your ceiling light and fan and your aircon up there above. And just here you've got patio doors and rackets out onto the back area. So through that door just down there, that is your ensuite. So let's have a look in there. So in the ensuite you have got a bath and a shower attachment again. You've also got storage to the side, your WC and a sink and pedestal. You've also got your frosted glass window just there as well. So I'm going to take you outside through those doors in the bedroom and we'll have a look at your outside space. You have of course got a heater just above there as well. So let's have a look out here. Oh my goodness, my Guinness, as they say. Look at this. This is absolutely divine. You have a lovely area that is shaded but also is for your outside dining. A lovely seating area there as well in the sunshine. This is really beautiful. Look at this. And you got your outside kitchen, you got your barbecue there, your prep table and your paella dish where you can make some paella for your friends. And just over here you got this fabulous little bar. Look at this bar now. Isn't this beautiful? So just come in here. I just thought I'd give you a really good look at this bar. You have got two fridges here and you've got granite worktop. You've got one here and one below for prepping all your drinks. You've got a basket there to keep your lemons in and some beautiful signage on the bar as well. And your pizza oven. You've also got your hot tub over there. Let's have a look around the garden even more now. So just down there you've got some storage. We'll have a closer look at that in a moment. So as you can see, lovely area, great for lounging. Some beautiful seating here, beautiful garden. And just around here is your driveway with your off-road parking. How wonderful is that? So really nice area. And that's the side of the property. I'm going to take you back around. Now you could, this is big enough, you could put a pool in it, but to be honest, you really only use the pool about 3 months of the year and it's quite an expense. So this, when you can just soak yourself and cool yourself off in the hot tub in the hot summer months, I think is ideal. But this garden is fantastic. It's got everything for entertaining family and friends. I just want to take you down to the side of the property because I like to show you everything, literally everything. Let's see what's in here. Oh, looks like it's a WC. Oh, lovely. So without having to go inside through the property, if you just got people around for a barbecue or whatever, you have an outside bathroom. That's fabulous. You got more storage here, which is fabulous. You got your boiler here, which is gas. And just here, you've got more storage just here. So as you can see, you've got plenty of storage. I'm going to take you up to the rooftop solarium now, and we'll have a look up there. So this house just keeps on giving. So let's go upstairs. See you at the top, guys. So I've just come up here, up the stairs, and oh wow, you have a gate. It looks like you got more accommodation up here. Look at this. Oh wow. Getting a lot for your money here. You got more storage there as well. More loungers, areas to sit. And I'll just come around here. And of course you got your awning there as well. How fabulous is this? Oh wow, so let's have a look in here. So these patio doors, these are tinted glass. We're just going inside. And oh wow. What a room. So just here you have, it's all newly tiled throughout. You have a fridge over there. It's a wonderful bedroom, and you have aircon and a ceiling light and fan above. Beautiful views of the countryside and the mountains across there as well. So you've got your fridge there and all the stuff ready if somebody wants to have a cup of coffee in the morning without coming through the house. Just in here, lovely flooring. You've got a beautiful sink and vanity unit, and it's a fabulous shower. Got your WC there as well. So you've got these lovely tiles here, and they're going throughout, and they're on the floor as well. Also got a window there. This is really beautiful, and your standard light above. Very decorative light though. So guys, what do you think of this property so far? This is fabulous. Absolutely fabulous, and the sun is shining today as well. Really beautiful. Just want to show you over there. So the golf club is just over there. It is beautiful up here. I should put my sunglasses on really. So all I do is squint. So let's go downstairs now. So guys, what do you think of this property? Isn't it absolutely stunning? You got that extra accommodation upstairs. You got that fabulous outside space at the back with the bar and the hot tub. Plenty of lounging area. Great for family or friends, or just for yourselves. You know, and you have this lovely little sun trap to the front of the property, and the beautiful manicured gardens as well. You've also got your off-road parking. So if you are interested in this property, I will leave the reference number in the title of the video. So when you email the agent, and you will find their details in the description box below, don't forget to put the reference number of the property so they know which property that you're inquiring about. So until the next time, take care. Share, like and subscribe, and if you'd like to support my channel, please buy me a coffee, or we have memberships as well. So see you next time. Take care.